I've actually worked for IBM twice in my career. I've worked for professional services, and then I've also worked, I left and then I came back and I worked for one of their product teams. I was a scrum master for one of their product teams. But that's the old IBM guy in me saying, oh, this is IBM SPSS, because that's the default that they use in that package. So maybe not critical information to know, but this is me working in data. This is the data scientist mindset or abilities that you'll pick up. And you'll be able to say, oh yeah, that's a SAS package. I recognize it because of the SAS code, or yeah, that's using IBM because of this, and this. You're going to learn these things, right? This is part of being in the business, right? So yes, you guys were right about that, but if you just take it another step further, the null values are default IBM SPSS. So 100% guarantee they're using IBM for this. I believe it was Ravindran that talked about the columns. And you're right, these columns don't make sense, right? It's obviously some sort of metadata, some sort of shorthand. Some of the early ones you can make out, right? It looks like they're using a code for the states. They're using a census division, census area, or whatnot, right? But the rest are kind of nonsense, right? But that's okay. This is part of the research. This is us doing the work of a researcher, right? So before we go to the next one, let me go back to the chat. Patrick says missing data means an opportunity for imputation. Yeah, sure, maybe. Ravindran says since they are collected from different states, maybe they couldn't fill it. Yeah, that's also possible. Many reasons why there couldn't be that, right? Maybe the collections methods, right? Maybe people only filled out half the form instead of the full form, or maybe it was done by phone, and phone interviews tend to be a little faster, so that gave you more complete records than other methods, right? It just depends, right? But again, that's all just validating the study. That's not you adding something new, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for opportunities to add something new, right? So let me bring up another document for you guys. Give me just a second. I didn't, or maybe I did prep this. I can't remember if I prepped this or not. I did prep this, okay.